Hey everyone, Mark here with Kurt Liebendorfer, VP of Evapcold. I'm here in near Baltimore at the Evapco global headquarters, and we're going to talk a little bit about industrial ammonia solutions and what Kurt and his team have been working on. A brand new product out, and we're going to hear a little bit about this. And you know, Evapco have been around for a few years now with their low charge package units of ammonia, making a name for themselves and being quite successful with more and more customers getting these products, but they keep innovating. And we're going to hear about that in a second. So really happy to have this global exclusive, this world first, to share with you. So over to you, Kurt.
Thank you, Mark. I appreciate the introduction and the background. What you see in the background is the low charge ammonia product that Evapcold first came to market with 8 years ago.
Wow.
It's our penthouse. Yeah, it's been a long 8 years. It went by fast. And it's our core penthouse product, low charge ammonia. It's a it's got a lot of features and benefits that make it a very high value product to a lot of OEM customers that really see the value in that product. But it's really specific for fit and purpose to a large cold storage.
Okay.
And you know, it's got a price point associated with that.
So that's been a bit of a, you know, I mean, when you come up with a new solution like that, which was game-changing in itself, I mean, it's known to a lot of people that, you know, it comes at a certain price point. So what have you been, you know, that's what you've been working on to try and find that sweet spot, right?
And it was a great beginning for us because everything is in the package. It's 100% plug and play. There is no field piping whatsoever. It is 100% set on the building and turn it on. But it only goes up to a certain capacity, and the more packages you need, the higher the price point.
So how many tons is the one behind us there?
70 tons.
So if you want more than 70 tons, then you have to buy 2 of these.
Right. Well, we have been working hard at making larger systems that are more suitable to different building applications of various shapes and sizes.
Okay.
And so we've been working on what we call a split system, where you separate the low side of the system, you separate the evaporators, and they can go wherever you want. And then you just have this package, mechanical room, machinery room, for your low charge ammonia to reside. And at the same time, we've doubled the capacity of these units.
So I'm going to ask you to stop now, because now we're going to actually move over and show this. What does it look like?
Let's see.
So Kurt, tell us what's behind us here, because this is the really new, cool product that's going to revolutionize the industrial ammonia refrigeration industry.
Exactly right. We call it the VersaSplit.
What? The VersaSplit.
VersaSplit.
What the hell does that mean?
Bringing versatility to low charge ammonia. You're no longer fixed or confined by these large rooftop penthouse packages. We separate the low side of the system. You can actually feed up to 6 evaporators at a distance much further. These packages can even go on the ground to serve those.
Right next to the building. Okay.
Right next to the building. It doesn't have to go on the roof anymore. It can go on the roof, but it doesn't have to. So it gets the roof weight, takes away the roof weight.
So that's the reduced cost.
Correct.
Yeah, okay.
And you only need one of these packages to go up to maximum capacity is actually 160 tons.
160 tons.
Much larger capacity, serving more low side evaporators in a split configuration. Thus, we call it VersaSplit.
VersaSplit.
Evapcold VersaSplit.
So you're quite excited about this?
We're very excited.
This has been years in the making, right?
It has been. A lot of our 8 to 10 years of development has kind of led to this third leg of the stool, as I call it. The one leg has been the penthouse product you just heard about. We also make low charge chillers, which are a completely different market application. But for the industrial ammonia market, where you're directly refrigerating air with ammonia, the VersaSplit is the final economic solution that will be widely accepted for many different applications.
So you also have CO2 within your portfolio of products, right? With the recent acquisition of System LNP. Now, I mean, it's known also that CO2, one of the reasons why CO2 is being able to come into the industrial refrigeration market is because it has a lower price point to traditional ammonia systems, right?
Correct.
How does the VersaSplit compete on that front?
Well, it will certainly get us closer.
Okay.
The CO2 application to the industrial market is going through a bit of its own transformation.
Yep.
It's coming out of the supermarket commercial world with a very low price point but as it gets applied to large industrial facilities, it's becoming industrialized. And Evapco is actually doing that with our LMP product line. It's making it more suitable and of interest to our industrial-based clients.
So as CO2 goes for the industrial market, it's becoming more costly because you're having to build for a certain customer need. And that, with the VersaSplit on the ammonia side, you're bringing down the cost. So actually there's going to be closer price parity. Not price parity, I don't know if that's fair to say at this stage, but it's getting closer.
And what we've discovered is, with all the variety of industrial applications, every building costs out differently.
Yeah.
Some cost out better with CO2, others cost out better with ammonia. It depends on the size of the building, the temperatures, the number of rooms, so forth.
Okay.
And this will bring closer to parity between our ammonia, low-charge ammonia solution and our CO2 solution.
All right.
And we can offer both.
Exciting stuff. So in October, global launch. You're announcing this to your sales team, or you've announced this to your sales team, and now you're bringing this to the world, right? To your customer base globally, or just US for now?
North America.
North America.
North America, and very proud to have Atmosphere spread the word.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kurt.
Thank you.